Hi there everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make up one of these very simple, very quick, teeny tiny little stars. You can use these as appliques, maybe add them to wreaths. I've hooked up this very small one and added to a Christmas tree decoration. You could string them all together in a garland. It's entirely up to you. So grab a hook and let's get going. For my example today, I'm going to be showing you using just a DK weight yarn. I'm going to use my 4mm hook. Now, if you want yours to come out slightly smaller, then I suggest you go down a hook size. For something larger, go up a hook size. Now I do block my stars, so you're going to need some pins and just a small pair of scissors. You're also going to need a darning needle for your tail ends. So I'm going to start by using the magic ring or magic circle, whatever you like to call it. Now you can do yours however you normally do. This is how I do mine. So I start with my tail end at the front. I wrap around those two fingers. I go under with my hook, grab that yarn, pull it through. I gently take out my fingers, making sure I have my working yarn, not my tail. I'm literally just going to chain one up to secure. I'm going to just take that tail end out of the way. I know that this is the magic circle because when I pull on that original tail end, my circle will close up. We're going to work the entire round in this circle here. So as I say, these stars are done in just the one round. So let's crochet along together. Now I'm just going to ignore this chain one up. I'm not going to count that as a stitch. In this centre here, I'm going to put in one UK double. So that's one US single. So a double, we're just going to push through, grab the yarn, pull through. I have 2 loops, grab the yarn, pull through 2. So that's one double. Then in the same centre, we're going to put in one UK treble. That's one US double. So a UK treble is yarn over first, push through, grab the yarn, pull through. I have 3 loops, grab the yarn, pull through 2, grab the yarn, pull through 2. We're going to chain 2, 1, 2. This is going to form our point. We're going to put in another UK treble. Okay, so that's UK treble. Remember, I use UK terms, so that's a US double. In here, we're going to put in a UK double. So that's no yarn over first. So we have formed our first point of our star. We're going to carry on around. So we're going to go up to the point with a UK treble. If you notice, I'm working over my tail. This just makes it a lot easier to cinch it up at the end. So we've gone up to our point with a UK treble. We're going to chain 2. This forms our point. We're going to go back down. We're going to put in 1 treble, 1 double. We now have 2 points. Now they won't look very pointy until we have blocked our stars. So don't worry if they're not looking too pointy at the moment. They will do once we're finished. Okay, so we're going to go up to our next point. We're going to put in our treble. To make our point, we're chaining 2. We're going to come down. We're going to put in 1 treble. Oops, I'm just trying to work over my yarn end there, and 1 double. We have 3 points. We're going up to our point, 1 treble. We're going to make our point by chaining 2. We're going to come down, 1 treble, 1 double. So you might want to just cinch them round. At the moment it just looks like a bit of a flower, but as I say, I'll show you how to make these properly pointy at the end. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to do 1 more, so we're going to go up to our point, 1 treble, chain 2 to make our point. We're going to come down with 1 treble, now to come down, if you remember, we started our round with 1 double. We're just going to finish this round by slip stitching in the top of that stitch. Okay, so to slip stitch, you just push through, grab the yarn, pull through, and the one that's on your hook. I'm simply just going to cut my yarn. I'm going to pull the tail end up. I'm not going to knot it just yet. Before I deal with my tail end, what I want to do is close up the centre by tugging quite tightly on that original tail. As you can see, that centre has closed up. Now I'm going to hide my tail on the end. So I didn't knot it. I've just threaded my darning needle up. The first stitch going up, I'm just going to use that stitch to take my tail end to the back of my star. Okay, so I'm just going to pull that down so it makes it nice and neat on the front. I'm then going to take this, I'm going to, still using my darning needle, just take this over to the centre. And then these 2 tails, I'm simply going to knot. Now, I don't know what I'm going to be doing with my star, so at the moment, I'm just going to leave these tail ends just long because I can use these at a later date to sew on a project. So I tend to leave my ends until I know what I'm going to be doing. But there you have your very simple 1 round star. But as you can see, these ones that I made earlier are a lot more pointy. So I'm going to show you how I block these out. So all I do is, using my pins, I just stretch the points out as far as they'll go. I pin them in place. Just use something soft like an ironing board, or maybe a towel or something like that. A folded up towel works just as well. What I tend to do is give them a spray with some water or maybe some hairspray. Just leave them to dry nicely and then I just unpin them. And as you can see, they keep their shape nicely. So there you go, a teeny tiny 1 round star. Do let me know in those comments down below how you get on making up yours. Let me know what you're going to use them for. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then please do give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and I will see you here next time. Bye bye.